Hi guys, welcome to your MTT Academy, Marine Technical Training Academy. Okay, today I want to talk a little about the courses. A lot of people ask me about how is the process to enroll in the classes, Mr. Lopez. And the question is, where do you live? You live here in Florida, in South Florida, or you live in other state, in other country? Okay, if you live in another country, if you live in another state different than Florida in the United States, you can register to take the classes right now in the mode online. It's a virtual mode, online. It's simple. You enter in my website, you select the corner of courses, you select the course that you prefer, and as soon as you see the course, you see the option online, the virtual mode. All right, you select over there, you make a click, and you send the course to the card. And now in the card, you fill some basic information about your name, your email, and now you can pay with any credit card. That's simple. As soon as you enroll in the course, you receive an email with a password and a username. Immediately, you register and you enter in the learning platform of Marine Technical Training Academy. You have access to the videos, to the quizzes, to the laboratories. And also, you can schedule one conference with me once per week to talk about the progress, to talk about the project that you are doing as part of the class. It's simple. At the end of each chapter, you have a quiz, and at the end of the course, you have a final exam. If the total grade is superior to 80%, you can order your diploma and your certification. The courses are designed for 4 weeks, 1 month. If you enter in the course and start today, you have 4 weeks to cover. Can I take more time, Mr. Lopez? Yes, no problem. You can take 5 weeks, 6 weeks, depend on you, because you organize your schedule according with your time. And you follow the videos according with the syllabus. The syllabus is part of the program. You see the syllabus. I recommend try to cover 2 chapters per week. The courses are designed for 4 weeks. But if you need more time, no problem. You can extend it 5 weeks, 6 weeks, 7 weeks, no problem. That depends on you. And you finish in the moment that you want it. The idea is that try to finish in 1 month. And finishing that course, you start with the other one, and you have 15 courses available in this program. Okay, this is the process if you live outside of this country. It's simple, it's nice. At the end of the course, if your grade is superior to 80%, you will receive the diploma and the certification. Okay, it's simple. Write to info@mrlopezclasses.com or at our WhatsApp, or enter in the website www.mttedu.org and register right now. All the courses are available. All the courses of this program are ready to start right now.